If you have a video that won't play on your phone, TV, or editing software, the problem is usually the video format. In this video, I will show you how to change any video format using VLC Media Player completely free. First, open VLC Media Player on your computer. At the top menu, click on Media, then choose Convert or Save. Now click the Add button and select the video you want to convert. Once your video is added, click on Convert or Save at the bottom. A new window will open, and this is where the magic happens. Under Profile, click the drop-down menu to choose your output format. For most devices and platforms, MP4 is the safest and most popular choice. If you need audio only, you can also choose MP3 or other audio formats. Next, click Browse and choose where you want to save the converted file. Make sure to rename the file and set the correct extension like MP4. Now click Start and VLC will begin converting your video. The progress bar will move and the time depends on your video length and quality. Once it finishes, VLC won't show a message, so don't panic. Just go to the folder you selected and you will find your new converted video there. If you want more control, you can click the Settings icon next to the Profile menu. Here you can adjust video codec, resolution, frame rate, and audio quality. This is useful if you need smaller file sizes or specific formats for uploading. VLC works on Windows, Mac, and Linux, so the steps are almost the same everywhere. And that's it. You have successfully changed a video format using VLC Media Player. If this helped you, save it for later and check out my other VLC tutorials for more tips. Thank you, and I will see you in the next one.